What if you could set up income streams today that keep paying you while you sleep, travel, or binge Netflix? Sound impossible? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into an exciting topic that many people dream about: passive income. But what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup. This means you can enjoy financial freedom while focusing on what you love. In a world where traditional jobs often leave us feeling overworked and underpaid, understanding passive income is more important than ever. Imagine earning money while you sleep or travel. In this video, we'll share 9 effective tips that can help you start generating passive income streams. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your current strategies, we've got you covered. So, stick around as we explore these valuable insights that could change your financial landscape for the better. Understand passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no ongoing effort after the initial investment of time or resources. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. One of the most significant benefits of passive income is the financial freedom it can provide. Imagine having the ability to cover your living expenses without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. Additionally, passive income has the potential to build wealth over time, as your investments can grow and generate returns with minimal ongoing effort. This means you can focus on enjoying life while your money works for you. Embracing passive income strategies can be a game changer in achieving long-term financial stability and independence. Identify your interests. To kickstart your journey toward passive income, it's essential to identify your passions and interests. Take some time to brainstorm hobbies or skills that you genuinely enjoy and could potentially monetize. This could be anything from photography, writing or crafting to teaching, investing, or even blogging. Choosing something you love is crucial for sustainability. When you enjoy what you do, it becomes easier to stay motivated and committed. For instance, if you have a knack for cooking, you might consider creating an online cooking course or writing a recipe ebook. Similarly, if you're passionate about fitness, you could develop a subscription-based workout program. By aligning your passive income ventures with your interests, you not only increase your chances of success, but also create a fulfilling and enjoyable experience along the way. Research passive income streams. Now that you've identified your interests, it's time to explore various passive income streams. Some popular options include real estate investments, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and creating online courses. Each of these avenues has its unique benefits and challenges, so it's essential to evaluate the pros and cons of each option. For instance, real estate can provide steady rental income but requires significant upfront capital and ongoing management. On the other hand, stocks can offer dividends with less hands-on involvement but come with market risks. To make informed decisions, utilize online resources and forums where you can find valuable insights and experiences from others. Websites like Reddit, personal finance blogs, and investment platforms can be excellent starting points for your research. By gathering information, you'll be better equipped to choose the right passive income stream that aligns with your goals. Start small. As you embark on your passive income journey, it's wise to start small with manageable projects. Opting for low-cost or no-cost options can significantly minimize your risk while you learn the ropes. This approach allows you to gain valuable experience without overwhelming yourself financially. For example, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel focused on a niche you're passionate about. Both require minimal investment and can eventually generate income through ads or affiliate marketing. Another option is to create and sell digital products like printables or ebooks, which have low overhead costs. You might also explore peer-to-peer lending platforms that allow you to invest small amounts of money. By beginning with these smaller projects, you can gradually scale up your efforts as you gain confidence and knowledge, setting a solid foundation for future passive income success. Invest in education. To truly succeed in generating passive income, investing in your education is crucial. Enhancing your skills and knowledge can significantly improve your chances of success. Consider enrolling in online courses, reading books, or attending workshops that focus on topics like investing, digital marketing, or entrepreneurship. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a wealth of resources tailored to various interests. Additionally, continuous learning is essential to adapt to changing markets and emerging trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Networking with experts in your chosen field can also provide invaluable insights and mentorship opportunities. Engaging with communities, whether online or in person, allows you to share experiences and learn from others who have successfully navigated the passive income landscape. By prioritizing education, you'll build a strong foundation for your passive income ventures and increase your potential for long-term success. Create a business plan. Developing a solid business plan is essential for your passive income venture. Start by outlining the key components, including your goals, target audience, and strategies for generating income. Clearly define what you want to achieve, whether it's a specific monthly income or a certain number of customers. Next, set realistic timelines and financial projections to keep your expectations grounded. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you work toward your goals. Additionally, it's crucial to track your progress regularly. Monitor your results and be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. Flexibility is key in adapting to challenges and seizing new opportunities. By creating a comprehensive business plan, you'll not only clarify your vision, but also establish a roadmap that guides you through the ups and downs of your passive income journey, ultimately increasing your chances of success. Automate and delegate. To maximize your passive income efforts, embracing automation and delegation is key. There are numerous tools and software available that can help automate income-generating tasks, such as email marketing platforms like MailChimp or social media schedulers like Buffer. These tools can save you time and ensure consistent engagement with your audience. Additionally, consider outsourcing certain tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants. This allows you to focus on high-impact activities that drive results, such as strategy development or content creation. By delegating routine tasks, you free up valuable time to explore new opportunities or refine your existing projects. Remember, the goal of passive income is to create systems that work for you, not the other way around. By automating and delegating effectively, you can enhance your productivity and ultimately increase your income potential while enjoying more freedom in your life. In conclusion, we've covered some essential tips for starting your passive income journey. We discussed the importance of identifying your interests, researching various income streams, and starting small with manageable projects. Investing in education and creating a solid business plan are crucial steps, along with automating and delegating tasks to enhance your efforts. Now it's time for you to take action. Begin exploring these strategies and find the right path for your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.